All right, today I'm taking a look at the Orthland Photo Studio Light Box. Okay, so this looks like, it says power control. I'm going to assume this is going to adjust the brightness of the lights. And this is both the lights. And there isn't any weird diffusers or anything thrown on here, so that's cool. You're just going to be getting exactly what you're supposed to. And the main event. So we've got some... got a white and a black backdrop, and these are nice and big, so that's good to be able to put some larger objects in here. And it looks like it just kind of unfolds and snaps together. So that's pretty cool. I really like how everything just kind of slides together. There's plenty of spots to put these lights, so I put one right here, and I can put another one right here, which is probably going to be the best spot to put it, just because you're going to be taking pictures from the front and you want everything to be lit up from the front. But there are slots in the back, so we could put it in the back, so if you want some backlighting on there, we could do that as well. And there's a hole right here where we can drop these cords through so that they're not getting in the way. And we'll add some diffusion. Just like that. And it is cool that they gave us both the white and the black backdrops, because, so if you're doing a lot of product photography, you're going to want to use white. Just because I believe Amazon actually requires that the background be white. We got these little flaps so that it's not coming out. And we got a couple more in the back for the top. There we go. All right. And let's get power. All right. I think it's nice and bright. Very cool. And then I can set this guy in here. Kind of clean up the framing a little bit, and it looks pretty good. I like that I can adjust the light coming in instead of having to do everything in my camera, and there's quite a bit of adjustment. And then we can come up to this hole in the top. We can get those pretty top-down shots. So yeah, overall a really cool box. If you do a lot of product photography, or if you're doing photography for websites like Amazon or eBay, this will make everything look really good, and you won't be breaking any rules. So, good stuff.